Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk. I am Emma, and today I feel warm and happy because we are going to talk about a topic that I really love.
Hi, friends. I am Jack. I feel good today. I feel energetic. I feel ready. And I am excited because today's lesson is long, slow, easy, and full of real life English.
Before we begin, please like this video. It helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe. We make new English lessons every single day. Long, simple, calm lessons made just for you.
Today our topic is how to talk about your hobbies in English.
Your hobbies show who you are. Your hobbies show your personality. Your hobbies show what makes you smile.
And today we will talk in a slow, natural, friendly way so you can learn English in a peaceful way.
So sit back, relax, take a deep breath, and let's start.
Jack, tell me, what hobbies do you have in the morning? Not in the afternoon, not at night, only in the morning.
In the morning, I have a small hobby. Every morning, I make coffee. But it's not only making coffee, it's a ritual. I grind the beans slowly. I smell the coffee. I listen to the quiet sound of the morning. And I feel calm.
I love that. Morning hobbies are soft and they make the day feel warm. I also have a morning hobby. I write in my journal. Every day I write 5 to 10 minutes. I write about my feelings. I write about my dreams. I write about what made me happy yesterday.
That is beautiful. Journaling is a hobby that helps the mind breathe.
Exactly. And you know what? Even writing one simple sentence in English every day is a hobby, too.
Learners, you can try it. Write one small sentence every day. I feel happy today. I feel tired today. I feel excited. Little practices become hobbies. Emma, you told me before, you enjoy painting.
Yes, painting is my heart hobby. It is slow, it is quiet, and it is colorful. When I paint, I forget time. I forget loud sounds. I forget stress. I only see colors and shapes.
That sounds relaxing. Do you paint in silence?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes I play soft music. Sometimes I paint near my window and watch the sky change color. It feels like therapy.
I understand. I have a creative hobby too, but it is very different. I like cooking.
Yes, you always bring food to the studio.
Ah, yes. Cooking is my creative art. I cut vegetables slowly. I enjoy the smell of garlic. I mix spices. I taste the soup. Every small step feels special.
Cooking is a beautiful hobby because you make something for yourself or for people you love.
Exactly. A hobby is not only an activity. A hobby is a feeling.
Jack, do you have any outdoor hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy cycling. When I ride my bicycle early in the morning, I feel free. The wind touches my face. The city is quiet, and my mind feels open.
That sounds peaceful. I also enjoy walking. Sometimes I walk for 1 hour. I look at trees. I look at flowers. I listen to birds. I don't use my phone. I just walk slowly and breathe.
Walking is a simple hobby, but it is powerful. It clears the mind.
Let's talk about quiet hobbies. Hobbies that you can do at home.
Great idea. I like reading. I feel relaxed when I open a book. I sit on my sofa. I make a cup of tea, and I enjoy the story slowly.
I also love reading. Sometimes I read only 2 pages, sometimes 20 pages, but even a little reading makes me feel peaceful.
Reading is a wonderful English hobby too. You can read easy English books. You can read short stories. You can read simple articles.
And you don't need to read fast. You can read slowly. You can repeat sentences. You can enjoy the process.
Let's teach some simple English patterns for talking about hobbies.
Good idea. Both. Slow. I like. I love. I enjoy. I feel happy when I feel calm when I feel relaxed when I. Repeating these patterns every day helps you speak naturally.
Exactly. Practice them with us. I like cooking. I enjoy reading. I love traveling. I feel relaxed when I paint. I feel happy when I dance.
Jack, do you play any games?
Yes, I enjoy playing video games sometimes. Not too much, but maybe 20 minutes at night. It helps me relax.
Nice. I like board games. I play with my family on weekends. We laugh, we talk, we joke. It feels warm.
Hobbies connect people.
Exactly.
Emma, I have noticed that people from different countries have different hobbies.
Yes. For example, many people love dancing. Some people like making crafts. Some people enjoy photography. Some people like gardening.
Gardening is a beautiful hobby. It teaches patience.
Yes. And plants make you feel calm.
Learners, tell us your hobby in the comments. We want to know what people love around the world.
One hobby. Repeat. Hobby. A hobby is something you do for fun. Examples. My hobby is painting. Reading is my hobby.
2. Free time. Repeat, free time. Free time is when you are not busy. Examples. I read in my free time. What do you do in your free time?
3. Collect. Repeat collect. Collect means to gather things you like. Examples. I collect stamps. He collects old coins.
4. Practice. Repeat, practice. Practice means to do something again and again to get better. Examples. I practice guitar every day. Practice English often.
5. Relaxing. Repeat relaxing. Relaxing means peaceful and calm. Examples. Walking is relaxing. Music is relaxing for me.
Today, we talked about hobbies, morning hobbies, creative hobbies, outdoor hobbies, indoor hobbies, and relaxing hobbies.
We learned helpful patterns. I like, I enjoy, I love. I feel happy when I feel calm when
And we learned 5 new vocabulary words.
You did amazing today. Thank you for staying with us through this long, slow, peaceful lesson.
Our question is, what is your hobby?
My answer, I enjoy painting.
My answer, I love cooking.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep growing.
In our next video, we will talk about daily routines in simple English.
That sounds great.
See you tomorrow, friends.
Bye, stay happy, and keep learning.